So you want to make $1 million? Ha! Don't we all? Well, I'm going to tell you how you can make $1 million. It's easy. If you want to make $1 million, all you have to do is help 1 million people. Can you do that? Can you help 1 million people? Yes, you can. It is positively a yes. Yes, you can. It's definitely possible. The other way you can make $1 million is to get 1 million people to give you $1 each. Can you do that? That is also possible. People don't realize when they want to make money, all they can think of is how do I make money? Well, if you think about making money in that way, thinking how do I make money, you won't make any. You won't make any money, and if you do, it won't be worthwhile, it won't last, and it won't feel right. So how do you make $1 million? I'm going to tell you how. You make $1 million by thinking how you can help 1 million people. What can you give? What can you give? Is there something you can give? Absolutely yes. Are you breathing? You're alive? That means there's something you can give. That means there's something you have. Your effect, the effects that you have on others, on other people's lives, is the greatest currency there is. Now, can you have a positive impact on someone else's life? What can you give? How can you benefit someone's life? Now, let me tell you a really simple thing. If you can solve a problem, if you can help someone, if you can have a positive impact on someone's life, if you can really get to a problem and give a solution, people will give you their money happily. Did you know that? But most people, when they think about making money, they don't think about, oh, how can I help someone? They just think about what they can get. But you've got to reverse it. You've got to think about what you can give. Because just remember, if you want somebody to, if you want to make $1 million, that means you want somebody to give you their money. Somebody has to part with their money to be able to give it to you. So what is it that's so important about you that someone's going to part with their money and give it to you? What do you have to give? And that is what you need to think about. What can you give? What can I give? How can I make an impact on someone's life? And there's always an answer. Everybody has a story. You have a story, and there's always going to be someone that needs to hear your story. So what I want to do is I want to challenge you. I want to challenge you to think outside the box. Think in reverse. Think how you're going to make an impact on somebody else's life. It could be so many things. There's so many ways. I can't even get into the ways that you can. But you've got to think. You've got to look within yourself. Think about how you can have an impact on others. Whether it is something you do, whether it is something you create, whether it is just something you say, whether you can help somebody. What is it? If you have a product, how is that product helping somebody else? When you can figure out a way to help someone else benefit from their life, benefit from your product, benefit their life from your product, people will give you their money willingly. That's how you make $1 million.